Alright, traders, hello, good evening. And we have an open trade here. I'll just tuck this away. Very small client account. We are into the Aussie dollar. Let me show that. This is the trade. I got into it. Oh gosh, it would have been maybe like 10 o'clock this morning. Actually, no. No. It was even earlier than that. It was the afternoon. It was based on that candle. It was like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Sorry, what am I thinking? I was watching it. I've been watching it for a while, the Aussie dollar, and it did make a break. Um, okay. This, you know, this trade, it wasn't fantastic. I mean, I got in on this candle, and it was looking like it was breaking out. It's small size, and I guess what I liked was that it really held up well. US index was weakening, equities were strong last night in the US session, and then again, they weren't weak in the Aussie session for the ASX 200. They were holding up, and I wish I could give you more clarity, but there was enough in the favor of this trade that I took. Now, I missed it here. I couldn't actually take it. I was working. So I saw it, but you can see something, but there's a couple more steps to actually take a trade, and I couldn't quite do that. So I am in the trade. Entry was around 64.58 or so. Yeah, pretty much bang on, and now we're over 65 cents, and we'll see where this goes. I'll continue to trail it. We've locked in about 0.25%. Again, small size. This is just on a client account. I took it on another client account as well, so Jading and Tom. Taking care of you, my man. What else is going on? This is going to be a short video, unfortunately. I've got a few things to take care of. I'm semi-coherent still, but I've been getting up early for work. I'm still getting used to that, but I really can't go to sleep early. I wish I could. It's a real struggle for me. USD CAD, so I'm probably going to be burnt out by like tomorrow night. This is the Samtrade. So I am using Samtrade as well. I don't use Max. I'm using Olander and Samtrade right now. I don't have the Olander account open. That's FX Trade. So it's a separate platform. It's like TradingView, but you can take exact risk. I'm using that for Tom's account as well. USD CAD. Oil is weaker as well. So this is a little strange. Look, overall, guys, USD weakness right now. I'll just leave this trade going. But I don't have a lot of charts. I'm ill prepared, guys. I just want to update you on the Aussie dollar buy trade. I called this out on Sunday. I gave you the chart analysis. I even did a video on Saturday as well talking about this. So I'm trying my best. I did mention it as well in the Traders Club for the LCMS. So look, honestly, having a day job is no excuse. I have a day job. I have a couple jobs. So you've just got to train your mind to see it and take it, and it's a real powerful skill set because you could be doing something else. You could be this. It literally takes like 10 seconds, including putting the stop. You got to put the stop in. Don't be a degenerate and just sort of, unless you are very experienced and you're monitoring the trade all the time, then it's okay. But if you're like me, I'm not an elite trader at all. But if for the guys who've been watching my channel a long time and leave the friendly comments, I appreciate that. And or even non-friendly, but keep it constructive. Like if you have some criticism of me, please do that. But don't just be like, the hateful comments. I'm not even going to entertain. I'm just going to delete them. All right. Anyway, I'm sort of off on some tangent. But those are the trades, guys. Well, just a single trade. Euro Aussie actually weakened as well. Shout out to Tony, friend of mine in Queensland, fellow trader, short-term trader. We did miss that. That was unfortunate. But there's going to be plenty of opportunities, guys. And we'll see what the US dollar wants to do tonight. If this continues to rally, I'll move the stop up to the next pullback. But other than that, we'll just let this thing play out. It's holding over 65 cents. I'm pretty happy with today. And, it was, I've only had 3 trades this month as well. Pound yen long, New Zealand yen long, both small losses. This is making up for it. This is what it is. Like, you've got to be, I'm getting more people reaching out to me as well on Instagram and LinkedIn and everything about it, and it's just never really easy. Like it's never really easy. Like you think to yourself, you're like, oh, this is, it's not like a normal job. And people ask me about I'm not a full-time trader. It's not like, just, clock in and check your brain out. That's really not what it's about. It's constantly, checking, being involved in the market, sifting through, I follow a lot of professionals on Twitter and LinkedIn, and like seeing what things are going on and what's driving markets, and being, with the finger on the pulse. Finger on the pulse. That's what I would say. You've got to do it, because if you don't, it's just like I was talking to another gentleman on Instagram, and I was talking about it being like boxing, which really is. If you're going in there ill prepared, and the market's like heavyweight champ, it's like Mike Tyson, back in '88 when he killed people. That's what's going to happen to you. You're going to get in the ring. It's going to be terrible. You have no idea what you're doing. And there's people that rush into live trading. Honestly, please don't do that. Like, it's just disrespectful. You might win a little bit. Of course you might. There's luck. Eventually, you're going to get knocked out. And you ain't getting up. You're like, oh. And you'll just quit trading. And so many people quit trading. So many people I've encountered. It's just like, I know, and and you try and be polite. But it's like, some people I just ignore because I know they don't care. They're just like, it's a quick fix. This guy posts, go through my YouTube channel. How many videos have I made? How many? Keep going. It's like 1,300. And it just keeps me accountable, and I review these videos. So it's like, it takes so much effort to be consistently profitable. And it's just beggars belief, some people. They're just like, they ask you a bunch of questions, and it's going to be just easy. It's like, ugh. Please don't think like that. You got to be intelligent. And it's like people chasing quick gains, and it's like, man, no. Again, knocked out. And you're done. And it's just, and some people keep coming back and don't learn. You get brain damage from all those knockouts. It's just like, anyway, that was my rant. That wasn't very constructive, guys. I apologize, but I'm sleep deprived, and I just, recently especially, traffic towards me has picked up, and it's like, some of it's alright, but others it's like, you gotta just be like, shake your head, and it's like, man, this is not. But some people never learn. They just don't. And it's like, well, I can't help certain people. It's just they'll just continue to be punished by the market. Anyway, guys, that's the video. More updates to come. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful Tuesday.